Hi there, this is Dr. Kunal Banka, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of technology in our practice, especially CBCT. Well, are you the one who is sending your CBCTs and OPGs to the neighborhood center? Well, you're losing on money, you're losing on patients. What happens when a patient goes out of your practice to another center for the CBCT and OPG? The center may be very close to you, it may be very honest, but the patient's mind is a monkey mind. Patient keeps on thinking. Patient sees 10 other dentists on the way, and the patient wants to try. Well, I have lost many patients to this. Whenever I send a CBCT, 3 out of 10 patients, they don't come back. Now that is what happened with me until a few days ago. But then I decided to stop this. My patients are mine patients, and they should not be misguided by other boards, other hoardings. So I installed an in-house CBCT. Now what happened after that? Well, my in-house CBCT, number one, my patients were really surprised that everything is under one roof. That makes a lot of difference to the patient experience. Secondly, whenever I place an implant, I could do n number of scans to check the position of my implants. So now I place an implant, I do a scan before the implant, one scan immediately after the implant placement, so that I can see whether the implant is placed in the right place or not. If it is not placed in the right place, I immediately change the position. How convenient is that? And then when the patient comes back after 3 months, again one CBCT before I expose the implant. Now, if I had to send those patients to the other center for CBCT, I'm sure patients would have objected. Patients would not have liked it. But here, it's a win-win for you, for patient, and for everybody, for science as well. So guys, think about it. Install a CBCT and OPG. It's going to be a necessity in future, the same way as RBG is present in every clinic today. Scanners are being present in every clinic today. Same way CBCT and OPGs are going to be the talk of the town in 1 year's time. Mark my words, my friends. I'll see you till the next video.